Hi, I happily welcome you all to the today's English class. And in the today's class, we are going to concentrate on a grammar topic. The topic we have chosen today is adjectives. What really is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. It is sometimes called as describing word. Adjective is a describing word. I hope you know the basics of adjectives. You have already learned adjectives, and in this class we are going to see some of its kinds. Under adjectives, we have many kinds of adjectives. Let us see some kinds of adjectives in this class. The kinds of adjectives we are going to see today are qualitative adjectives, quantitative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. 4 kinds of adjectives are going to be concentrated on this class. And in a sentence, how to find an adjective? Is it tough to find an adjective? We have some clues to find adjectives in the sentence. What are those clues? Let me tell you. The clues are to ask questions like what kind, how many, which one. These 3 questions reveals the adjectives. We also have another one question. Whose object? These 4 questions reveals what adjective is in the sentence. And the first question is what kind? What kind? It reveals the qualitative adjective. Qualitative adjective, it describes the quality of the noun or pronoun. It reveals the quality. Some examples here are brilliant. What kind of idea is it? It is a brilliant idea. The word brilliant is a qualitative adjective. And some other examples here are height, tall, quiet, big, green, pink. Yes, colors also included in qualitative adjectives. Large, small. These are some of the examples of qualitative adjectives. And the second kind we have in our list is quantitative adjectives. Quantitative. The word itself reveals the answer quantity, which means count. Quantitative adjectives reveals the count of the noun or pronoun. Count. The count may be an exact count. 20, 30, 5, 6. The exact count. Or sometimes it may be an approximate count. For example, some, many, enough, little. Some examples here I have given 2, 5, 20, some, many, little, enough, or no, half. These are quantitative adjectives that reveals the count of the noun. And the next thing is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative, the word, it demonstrates the noun. It modifies the noun. And we have 4 demonstrative adjectives. They are this, that, these, those. Keep it in your mind. Demonstrative adjectives always follow with a noun. Demonstrative adjective plus noun. And when to use this, that, these, those? If the object is near to us and it is singular object, then we can use this. This pen is mine. This notebook is yours. This beautiful house belongs to my friend. And if that object is far away from us, that we have to use that. Far away, and that object is a singular object. That fan is rotating well. That computer works well. And these for plural objects. Plural objects, and the objects are near to us. These notebooks are corrected. And the final thing is those. Those for the objects. Objects are plural and it is far from us. Those notebooks belong to class 5. These kind of adjectives are called demonstrative adjectives. And the final thing in our list is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives, it reveals the owner of that object. The question we have to ask to find a possessive adjective is whose? Whose pen? Whose bike? And don't forget it, a possessive adjective always follows with a noun. Possessive adjective plus noun. We have 7 possessive adjectives. They are my, our, your, their, his, her, its. These are the 7 possessive adjectives. Yes, that's all. We have learned 4 kinds of adjectives in this class. And now let's move to some exercises. Let's see some exercises. The first one here in our list is the pickle is sour. Here, what is the adjective here? How to find that? You have to ask the questions. Which question suits here? Which one? Does it suit here? The pickle is sour. Which one? No. We can ask the question, what kind? The pickle is sour. The sour is the word adjective in this sentence and it is a qualitative adjective. It reveals the quality of the noun pickle. And this next sentence, the chair in my room of brown color. The chair in my room is of brown color. Here, what's the adjective here? Brown. Another qualitative adjective is the quality, the color of that chair. Reveals the quality of the chair. The chair in my room is of brown color. And the next sentence, little knowledge is dangerous. How much? Little. Reveals the count. So it's a quantitative adjective. Reveals the count and it's an approximate count. Little knowledge is dangerous. The quantitative adjective. And the next sentence, that car is expensive. That car. So here they represented that car is somewhat far away from us and there is only one car. So that's why they mentioned it here as that car. That car is expensive. And here we have the formula demonstrative adjective plus noun. Yes, demonstrative adjective that plus noun car. So the word that is a demonstrative adjective. And the next sentence, these clothes are wet. These clothes. So the clothes are very near to us and the count is more than one. Plural and near to us. So we have to use these. These clothes are wet. Demonstrative adjective plus noun. The sentence is correct and the word these is a demonstrative adjective. The next sentence, I am looking after her dog. I am looking after her dog. Here, I am looking after whose dog? Who's the owner of that dog? Another third person, her dog. The word her is a possessive adjective. I am looking after her dog. That's all. That's the end of the class. I hope you have understood it really well. Thank you for watching this video.